All right, guys, and we're live.
We live, baby.
This is my new blog channel. You know, it's called Kicking It With The Boys and shit. You know, you feel me? We out here.
They the boys. I'm daddy.
The homegirls right there. Everybody the teacher. We just some fuck boys. And that's my baby mama. She has she got my baby right there.
She a fucking chat.
That's my other girl right there. She don't even know
Get
it.
blood, I don't know. I'm about to fucking put some crip shit, nigga, on her shit, man. Chill, man. What's up, man? Thank you. Hi. Why you got everything got quiet?
Because he recorded us and I didn't know what to say.
Why you recording me, dude?
We're on live.
We're doing a blog, bro.
You know that's against the law if you tell me.
I know you're not supposed to record me unless I give the say so.
I record when I hit him from the back without asking.
You want to see my cat?
And that's rape.
No, it's not.
Shit, please don't be this
She
bitch.
let me hit it. Hey, so my homie guy didn't want this ugly ass chick.
What?
All right, we out.